Hi, this is Coni Otto, and today I'm doing a pros and cons to refinance. I'm going to be refinancing my house. I have an interest rate of 4.125. I'm getting a 2.8, I believe. And I wanted to do one on pros and cons so that you can decide if you want to refinance your house. So a pro is you will reduce your monthly payment. So for instance, if you have a $300,000 mortgage at 6%, you would be saving $6,000 a year, or you can save $500 a month. That is huge savings. So if you have a 6% interest rate, you need to run and get your mortgage paperwork, call a bank, call around and get like 3 different mortgage quotes to see what you can do as far as reducing your monthly payment. You would also reduce your interest rate on the loan, and you could change the terms. So if you have a 30-year fix, you can change it to 15 years. Or if you can change the loan type. If you have an ARM and the interest rates keep going up and down, you can change it to a fixed. So it's fixed. You know exactly what your payment is every month. So there are several benefits of refinancing your house. The cons are the transactions costs. It's just like buying a house. You have to go through all the fees, but you can roll them into the loan. You don't have to take any money out of your pocket. You can just roll those closing costs back into the loan. So the loan will go up. Maybe it could be $10,000, it could be $12,000 to refinance your house. But if you're saving $6,000 a year, that's a small price to pay over the rest of the term of the loan. But that would be totally up to you. That's your decision. The closing costs consist of, the appraisal, the fee for the lender. So, it's the same thing when you buy a house. But, if the benefits outweigh the closing costs, then I would go ahead and do it. Let's see. So what does refinancing mean? It means that you're going to refinance your loan into a new loan. So the old loan will not exist anymore, and you'll have a new loan. Okay. You'll reduce your payment amount. Most lenders believe that you can reduce your loan by at least 1%, and it's worth it. So you should if you have at least a 4% interest rate, you should, like I do, then you should go down. 2.8 is great. So I'm going to be saving a lot of money per month, which is great. So what do you need to know to refinance? You need to know your credit score. You need to have as high a credit score as possible so you can get that 2.8% credit, or even lower. If you have an 800 score, you're going to get a great rate. So that's one thing you need to know. Know how much your mortgage is. How much equity do you have? You need to shop around. Get at least 3 lenders to give you a quote on how low can they go. Because right now it's all about, bringing that payment down. And most importantly, don't open any credit. When you're going through the refinance process, just like buying a house, do not open any credit accounts. Do not co-sign. Don't buy a car. You want to make sure you get the highest interest rate, and you could actually not be able to refinance your house if you do anything that would change your credit. Okay, so these are my tips today. You got the pros, the cons, the definition of what refinancing is, and should you refinance? So that's a question you have to ask yourself, but I would definitely look into refinancing right now. The interest rates are the lowest they've ever been, and it's just a great time to refinance. Okay, this is Coni Otto. If you'd like to see any of my other videos, please hit subscribe. Hit subscribe down here. I will be giving you some information in the section on some lenders that you can go to get a quote, And if you have any questions, Coni Otto, Long and Foster, please give me a call anytime. I'd be happy to help. 240-483-7556. You all have a great day and do something nice for someone today.